nice when you can get outside of the studio and take a trip in the community. And today we actually went to Surprise. We're here at Gerber Injury Law. And 9 times out of 10, you've either witnessed a vehicle accident or you've been in a vehicle accident, but you don't know what to do exactly. So Ken and Megan are going to give us some insight. It's so nice of you guys to have us out here. So thank you again.
Absolutely.
How are you guys feeling?
Great.
Yeah, you guys look good. Doing good.
Yeah.
Well, here's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to start with you, Kim, because you say if you're in a vehicle outside of just your traditional vehicle and you injure someone, this is a good time to call a personal injury lawyer. So tell us some of the other things that people could be driving.
Well, sure. Really anything that causes an injury to somebody else could be the basis for an injury claim. So we see people that are in golf carts that get involved in accidents.
Well, we're here in Surprise, right?
Absolutely.
No surprise.
Absolutely. And they drive them on the roads out here. And it's important to keep in mind, when those golf carts are on the roads, they're bound by the same laws as any other vehicle.
Okay.
So we see golf carts, we see ATVs, we see boats, and even people who are walking on bikes, they can be hurt and they could be the basis of an injury claim.
Interesting. Those are probably things that people never think of, especially like a boat, like you were saying, or a golf cart. But if you're in them and it causes an accident, you're going to need some help, right?
Right.
Well, Megan, let's talk about why somebody would call, because a lot of times people think, oh, it's okay, it was just a little accident, but you want to give yourself the benefit of the doubt. So why is it important to at least make the phone call?
Well, first of all, it is a free consultation. So give us a call. We love to answer any question you have. And even if it's not a case, at least we can guide you in the right direction. A lot of people call us for different reasons other than accidents, and we guide them also to another attorney in the area or another company where they can be helped, workers' comp, things like that. So we're a wealth of information for those of you that don't know if they need an attorney or not.
Well, tell us what you've been seeing on social media that gives you an alarm, especially when someone is in an accident, Megan.
Well, if you know anything about being excited, I want to say you get an adrenaline rush. You're in a car accident, you get hit, you get scared, you want to make sure that you're okay. You probably will feel okay at first, especially if it's a back injury or muscle injury, neck whiplash. And so they immediately will post, look at my car, but we're all okay. And unfortunately, that might not be the case. You might be injured, you just don't know it yet, because a lot of things are not obvious unless it's a broken bone or you're bleeding.
So if you do see something like that, you're advising people, hey, at least give us a call and we can point you in the right direction, even if it's something that we don't necessarily need to handle at this time for you. It's better to know than not know, correct?
Right, absolutely.
All right, Kim, we want to round this out because there's a lot of misconceptions out there. So tell us a little bit about the misconceptions so we can put people in the right direction. So in case they do need Gerber Injury Law, they'll know where to go.
Well, a lot of people say, it was just an accident, so we're going to go through the insurance. We don't need an attorney. And that's exactly the time that you need an attorney. Our job is to make sure that the insurance is doing what they're supposed to do. So if you just leave it up to the insurance company, you won't know if everything is getting covered the way it's supposed to.
And you were saying it's important that after you call the police when you're in an accident, that you call an attorney before you call your insurance.
I would call the attorney right away because from the first word with your insurance company, everything's going to be used and it could be construed incorrectly.
Oh my goodness, so you want to protect yourself. Yeah. So these are things just in case you didn't know, we're giving you this information. So before we wrap this up, Megan, I want you to tell everybody where they need to go for more information because I'm sure you're going to get a lot of phone calls.
Absolutely, go to gerberinjurylaw.com. You can see what our locations are and you can pick one near you and we will get you helped out. This is the location in Surprise we're at right now.
And again, they don't just treat you like a client, they treat you like family. It's all good. Well, thanks again for having us out here. And if you do need more information, no problem. Just go to our website. We'll have more here on Arizona Daily Mix when we get back.